Hi, my name is Megan, and I'm a wandering yogi gypsy soul who was lucky enough to find this guy, Jason, and his awesome wine, Jefferson. We've both been furloughed for about 6 months thanks to COVID, so we invite you to join our adventures as we make the best of this crazy time. You can find us on our Airstream, the 19-foot Bambi Vela Terra, or join us at sea on the 34-foot Catalina, the SV Exodus. Happy trails! In today's adventure, I not only spent time at the helm, but I also spent my first night at anchor in the middle of the water. Not a dock in sight. After a short delay, because I may or may not have forgotten to open the seacock for the air conditioning unit, we made our way out in Galveston Bay. And I also learned that I know absolutely nothing about where I am in space or time, at least on the water. And Jason got to spend time teaching me things like how to drop the anchor and how to make sure that I don't run us aground in the process, which I can proudly say at this point in time, I have yet to do so. After picking a spot that is slightly secluded from the wind, I got to work making dinner on the boat. First time doing this again out at sea without power, and it turns out not too shabby. Even with 2 open flames, the lure of the moon could not keep me inside, and I had to sneak upstairs to check out the full moon for October. Nothing beats ending the day with a little yoga, even on the boat, rocking on the waves. And we had a passerby, a friend, come and sneak a peek and take a pic of our first night, well, my first night, at sea. We leapt into a really uneventful night on the water. Some rollers about 4 in the morning, but overall, the perfect first night at anchor. The morning sun came calling, and we had no choice but to answer. And off in the distance, if you look carefully, you can see a dolphin who joined us for our coffee. Speaking of coffee, I learned we need a new coffee pot, preferably one that doesn't draw 62 amps. So it's my first time at the helm helping lift the anchor. I'm not lifting it, Jason's literally lifting it. My job at the helm is to kick us forward or backwards based on if the anchor is stuck or not. While Jason's been sailing nearly his whole life, this Wild West Texas girl is just getting accustomed to the water. I look forward to sharing my journeys with all of you as I too learn to sail.